Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of cluttered rooms and messy hat collections? The Durmmur 2-pack hat racks for baseball caps is here to revolutionize your storage game. This amazing product is a must-have for any hat enthusiast, with its sleek modern design that will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. With thousands of customers raving about this product, it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among hat lovers. One of the standout features of the Durmmur hat racks is the stainless steel material, which gives it a sturdy and long-lasting feel that's also resistant to rust, so you can enjoy your hats without worrying about the rack deteriorating over time. The surface is smooth to the touch and has a stylish paint finish that will complement any room's decor. You'll also love the sound of your hats clicking into place as you hang them up, thanks to the secure hooks that keep everything organized. The Durmmur hat racks also come with 3 easy installation methods, including self-adhesive, drilling, and screw installation, so you can choose the one that works best for your walls, whether they're smooth, rough, or made of wood. This means you can hang your hats in a closet, behind a door, or even in a bedroom, and the rack will hold firm. Each hat rack can hold 10 to 15 hats, which is perfect for large collections, and the vertical or horizontal installation options mean you can customize the rack to fit your space. The extra storage on the Durmmur hat racks is also super handy, allowing you to hang keys, handbags, and other small items, keeping your room tidy and clutter-free. The LED lights on the rack add a cool touch, illuminating your hats and making them stand out. Whether you're a baseball cap collector or just someone who loves to stay organized, the Durmmur 2-pack hat racks for baseball caps is an absolute must-have as always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.